Hey guys, CKHD here, and here we have the new Asus ROG Phone 5, and this is my review. Now, the Asus ROG Phone 5 is probably one of the best gaming phones out there right now, and because it's got a great display, the battery on that ROG Phone 5 is actually better than previous models, and with the long-lasting battery, it seriously is good, and with the additional fast charging on hand whenever you seem to run out of juice, especially when you're carrying the 6,000 mAh battery. Now you got 16 gigabytes of RAM. Wait, 16 gigabytes of RAM? That's actually a lot, and actually impressive. Somehow Asus has actually found a way to also include the 3.5mm headphone jack. Oh yeah, and make sure you subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this from me, and hit the bell notification to be notified about any of the new videos. Now, the Asus ROG Phone 5 is actually one of 3 models that Asus has released. You've got the standard version, which is the ROG Phone 5, the ROG Phone 5 Pro, and the ROG Phone 5 Ultimate. The differences between the ROG Phone 5 Pro and the Ultimate is that with the ROG Phone 5 Pro, you get up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, and with the Ultimate, you can go all the way up to 18 gigs of RAM. Now, at first glance, the ROG Phone 5's specs is actually an upgrade from the Phone 3. Somehow they have seemed to skip 4. Anyways, with the 6.78-inch Amoled display, which is actually pretty much in line with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and seemingly becoming a new standard within the smartphone industry. Now, the AMOLED display is 144Hz, which can go from 60Hz to 120Hz, as it does have an adaptive refresh rate. And with the brand new Snapdragon 888 5G processor, just like the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra I previously reviewed, I'm sure gamers are going to love this, and honestly, it is just a gaming phone. But because of the smooth high refresh rate, which is actually proven to better improve your gaming performance, gamers are going to love this phone. As I mentioned before, you've got two 3,000 mAh batteries in this piece of the device, both making up 6,000 mAh. But if you're asking if it runs out pretty quickly, the answer is yes. And this is because, well, it is a big phone, and the Snapdragon 888 5G processor does suck up a lot of battery. Even though Asus has actually found a very good way of keeping you topped up while gaming, but also there's no wireless charging on the ROG Phone 5. You've also got stereo audio, which does a great job, and having a crisp, loud sound and clear with the 2 symmetric drivers. Also being powered by an amplifier with the addition of a high-grade DAC. And honestly, with the right pair of headphones, the audio is so good, and you would actually want to give it a try. There's also 2 USB Type-C ports, one at the bottom and one on the left-hand side, also with a proprietary connection for an accessory. The cameras on this device are good, but not amazing when compared to the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. You've got a 64 megapixel main camera, a 30 megapixel ultra wide, and a 5 megapixel macro lens. Now, the style of the device has a really nice curved back to it, and with the RGB lighting of the ROG logo on the back, there's more customizability when it comes to looking at the Pro and the Ultimate versions though. Now, across the lineup, you've also got the device in 2 colors. And these are Storm White, which I have here, and the Phantom Black. Also, there's actually an accessory I'd love to show you at the end of this video, which I find pretty cool about the ROG Phone 5. With the use of the Snapdragon 888 processor and up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, this does make this phone a powerhouse when it comes to performance and gaming. The ROG Phone 5 is cool, smooth, and fast when it comes to performance. And when gaming, cranked up to the max, it is good. So let's have a look at some games. As you can see, performance is actually just amazing with the ROG Phone 5, and when looking at benchmarks, this is very clear. As you can see here, we're getting a score of 1180 with single core and a score of 3661 with multi-core performance. But of course, these are just numbers. The true performance lies within the gaming. Call of Duty plays pretty well at 60 frames per second and runs well over a few short gaming sessions. With PUBG Mobile, it runs smooth, and even though right now there's no option for Ultra HD as yet, maybe in a later update this should be fixed. Back to the battery though. With the Asus ROG Phone 5, when it comes to charging the 6000 mAh battery, Asus do provide a 65 watt fast charging adapter, and this should get you, according to the website, from 0 to 100 in just about 58 minutes. With the Android 11 update, you've also got the option to schedule when you want to save or conserve power, or when you'd like to actually charge it, and you can even slow down the charging rate, or even just bring down the percentage of where the phone should charge up to and just stop or throttle around. Now onto the accessories of the Asus ROG Phone 5, and this is the Aero Active 5 cooler. Previously, and with previous phones that Asus has released, the Asus Aero Active 5 cooler comes with them before, and these are actually pretty cool. As a little note though, with the Asus ROG Phone 5 you will need to buy this separately as an accessory, but with the Phone 5 Pro and the 5 Ultimate, the Aero Active 5 cooler comes with them included. Now with the Asus Aero 5 cooler, in addition to the cooling capabilities, you also get a 3.5 headphone jack and a port for the USB Type-C charging cable. You're also able to use the left and right buttons when gaming with the two paddles on the back, which are fully remappable and easy to use and set up. Another really good accessory to use is the ROG Kunai 3 gamepad, and this is actually amazing with the ROG Phone 5. You're able to have a full gaming experience as if you're on console with a controller. Now the question is, should you buy it? And the answer is yes. But only if you're out there in the market for a really good, if not the best gaming phone out there right now. But you might not want to, because the camera performance, even though when compared to the Galaxy S21 Ultra and the iPhone 12, it's not exactly as good as you think. But this is just my opinion. Also, on that note, we've actually reached the end of this video. Leave a like if you liked the video, or a dislike, and let me know down in the comments what you think about the Asus ROG Phone 5. Also, don't forget to subscribe. It's been me, CKHD, and I'll see you guys in the next one.